I just stayed up late last night, and because I was playing Saints Row Furthest today in Fallout 4 on my Xbox One, I stayed up too late, and I went to bed, and I woke up at 11:15 a.m. So, yeah. But today's Friday. I know you guys are getting a new iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max and Apple Watch Series 4, but I know you guys are still waiting on the iPhone XR. But I'm just saying in bed. Today's vlog is gonna be blah. So, yeah. But, I gotta say good morning to my dog on camera. Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning, Bear? Can you say good morning? Good morning, Bear. He's chewing on a feet. He's chewing on the feet. But I finally did record yesterday. I did record Saints Row the Third and also news updates and Fallout 4. So yesterday's coming gaming videos for you guys. Vlogs did add it to on my original channel. So yeah, but just staying in bed relaxing after a long day and night of gaming. So as you've seen in previous vlog, I was getting an Apple Watch Series 4 today, but it should be coming today, but I don't know. But we'll find out. Just relaxing while I'm playing the NES, Nintendo Switch Online. So I got with the online service, so yeah. And people will find me online. Well guys, I was watching YouTube and I just hear a doorbell. That means my new Apple Watch is here. So this is so exciting, man. I can't believe it. I'm so excited because I'm waiting for the Apple Watch for so long. Just have to wait for my mom to get home and then I gotta get it set up. So yeah. Oh my, that is my new Apple Watch. Look at this. Look at this. Holy crap. My new Series 4 Apple Watch is here.
Turn your top light on.
Alright guys, we're going to unbox it on this vlog.
Hey, no, you can unbox it yourself. Here. You can do your own video.
Alright, here we go.
Turn your top light on.
Gotta find a light switch real quick. Alright, so now we're gonna do unboxing with the Apple Watch Series 4 right here on this vlog. Look at this. Pretty nice. Here's the bottom. Look at this. 40mm Series 4 golden aluminum case with a pink sand leaf. Holy crap. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's a different box. The box is different now. Alright. Open that side. Trying to slide it out. Oh, over on another side. Alright. Look at that. Whoa, man, look at this. Oh, look, it comes with... Oh, what is that? It came with the watch band. Oh man, it came with a watch band. Wide, what we have to? Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let me find a way to unwrap it real quick. Alright, so the good news is it is actually sides out. Here we go. Here is bigger screen. Look at this. Haptic feedback they did with the microphone into the side. Bigger speakers, holy crap. This is so cool. I can't wait to use it. And also it came with a charger and paperwork designed by Apple in California. So that is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4 right here on this vlog. And don't forget the watch band. Side out. Gotta get it slid out. And I have a watch on here. And here he is. I think that is cool. Look at this. Really cool watch band. Too bad I didn't get a Peak Sport loop. All I have is this one right here. It's just a pink band. So that was disappointing. I was disappointing. It didn't came the Pink Sport loop, so that was disappointing. But good thing I didn't unbox everything. Gotta get it set up. Oh my guys, time for the size comparison before I even set it up. Look at this. The new one versus the old one. Look at that. This one has a 40mm, this one is a 58mm. Look at this. Really cool Apple Watch. So anyway, I gotta do a first look at my new Apple Watch Series 4. So that was after I eat and after I get set up. So yeah. Look at that, it's powering on. And I'm sorry I'm using the iPad. Look at that, it's powering on and I'm unpairing the old one, pairing the new one. Oh my, look at that. Look at that. It's restoring from backup. Look at that, look at my watch. Look at that. It's restoring from backup. Look at that. Alright guys, finally got it set up. My Apple Watch is set up. So this is so exciting. So I restored from backup and it's all ready. Oh man, this is so cool. So I will give you guys a first look of my new Apple Watch Series 4. So that was after I eat because I was getting starving. So yeah. You see me? So I want to give you guys a first look of my new Apple Watch Series 4 after I eat. So I was about to package back up and it says Peak Sport Band. It says Peak Sport Band. This is not the Sport Loop. It's a Sport Band. Holy crap. So it is a Peak Sport Band. That looks new. I can't believe it. That is new. Huh. I don't need a power cord. I have the USB hub right there. See that? I have the USB hub right here. Here is my leftover pizza from last night, because even though I didn't do the vlog yesterday, because I was gaming, so here's my leftovers. Alright guys, so finished recording the first look of my new Apple Watch Series 4 to be up, but a lot of people asked me, because you didn't ask me that much, But where am I gonna get my new iPhone XS, XS Max, or XR? But we're on a budget and we're still broke. But later this year, I will try to get a iPhone XS Max. So for I think it's really soon, but not now because we're still broke. But we'll find out once I get this new iPhone XS Max. So I don't know. But I'm still keeping 10 for a little while until I upgrade to the XS Max. And yes, I still want the XS Max. Oh my guys, so I forgot to show you because this Apple Watch has the accelerometer and the gyroscope that's built into the watch, since I can talk about on the first circuit review. And yeah, so this is so cool. So it has an accelerometer and a gyroscope that's built into the watch to do some workouts in. So it will last 6 hours of workout time. So yeah. But I really love this new Apple Watch. And also, I finished recording Fortnite, so it'll be up by the time you're watching this vlog. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Today is actually the first half day with my new Apple Watch. So this is so cool. Really cool Apple Watch. So tomorrow is the first full day with my new Apple Watch Series 4. So tomorrow is my first full day of my new Apple Watch. So yeah. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you got the Apple Watch Series 4 or iPhone XS or XS Max. Please let me know in the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. I'm TrinaMinute100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out TrinaMinute100 Games channel and Better Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace.